Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. So with our 4 days break, we are again come back to continue with the summarized written text. Why we have take so much long break is we are preparing this video for you in a very well understanding. Why? Because writing part is very difficult for every students. Now what I have done in my 4 days of weekend is just researched about how you can fix all the errors, all the mistakes by writing simple and easy sentences in summarized written text. So going to start with here I am giving you a general idea what kind of uh, summarized written text you are going to get on your screen is like you will get paragraph, paragraph in first block and your response box in second block. Now in between this block you will get 1 to 3 paragraph. Okay, and here you have to respond with 5 to 75 words. Okay, there is a time limit. Time limit is 10 minutes. Time limit is 10 minutes. Now moving to the important factor of this task is time management only. Why? Because so many students face problem time management issue. Why? Because they are taking time to read this paragraph, read this box, this paragraph in between 9 minutes, 8 minutes. So here we have some tricks to solve this problem by adapting time management strategy, which is prepared by us. Now what are the facts? Facts of this task is you will get 1 to 2 summarized written text in your whole exam. Okay, scoring will be contributed to your writing and reading part. And whole task will give you 10 minutes for your response time and reading time. Okay, and what are the facts of writing a sentence? In between this task you have to write 5 to 75 words with single sentence. Now moving to the scoring criteria, there are 4 to 5 factors where the score based on in summarized written text. The first and foremost is, I have to write it scoring. The first and foremost is form factor. Okay, what is form? Form means summarized written text has its requirement like single sentence, single and complete accurate grammar, single sentence with accurate, complete accurate grammar will help you to analyze your score with from 0 to 2, and there you will get 2 marks for single correct answer. Okay, another one is length. Okay, length means you have 0 to 75, sorry, 5 to 75 word limit, and you are writing your sentence in between these limits. It will help you to get 0 to 1 marks, 0 to 1 mark if you are writing words in between 75 words. Okay, and we recommend 30 words, 30 to 40 words. So now comes to the grammar factor, which is totally based on your grammatical structure of the sentence. There you will get 0 to 2 mark for your grammar section, and here you have to be very accurate in structure of sentence. Means that you have to be very accurate while making the sentence with the 100% grammar. Vocabulary. What is vocabulary? I think students can say that synonyms of the word can help us, or words can create a good vocabulary, or some students say that synonyms of the word are the vocabulary. But in my views, vocabulary is word choice. What kind of word choice you have? Like sometimes you write to begin with, to embark with. These are the vocabulary. Okay. Shed a light. Focusing or shed a light means that it's a word choice. Now you are combining 2-3 words to build your own vocabulary. So appropriate choice of word can make up good vocabulary. In this vocabulary you will get 0 to 2 marks. So what our recommendation for our student is, be on 30 to 40 words limit. Choose easy sentence from paragraph. Okay. Now moving to the biggest part of this session is time management. How can you manage your time in between summarized written text? You have only 10 minutes for overall task. And how can you manage your time is giving 3 to 4 minutes for reading the paragraph, will help you to respond your answer for writing and proofreading. So for writing section, we will only recommend 5 to 6 minutes for writing. Okay, and 1 to 2 minutes will be for proofreading. Now I think students are thinking that 3 to 4 minutes will be 8, 5 or 3, 8 and 9 minutes there, and 6, 4, 10 and 12 to 12 minutes. Means that uh, we are capturing 12 minutes for summarized written text. But while we practice, while we doing the summarized written text, the time automatically reduces. How can? There are some tips and tricks for you to manage your time. Why? Because 5 to 6 minutes is sufficient for writing. Means that if you have 30 words or if you have 10 words, then it will take only 2 minutes to 3 minutes, and the rest of the time you have to utilize for proofreading only. Okay, and in the last we only recommend, if you are done with your writing part for summarized written text and proof, you had already proofreaded all the things whatever you wrote on your response, you have to move to the next question after 9 minutes. Don't wait for 10 minutes to automatic automatic go on second question. It will negatively impact your scoring, impact your response time. Okay, so we recommend you only utilize 9 minutes and go for next. There you will get an overview of your question prompt. What kind of question prompt you will get, it is already described in the beginning of this video, but it's a real question from a site where I have to give you an overview. As I had already give you detail about, you will get two kind of boxes like this and this. This is your question and it's your response block. Now there are two kind of paragraph, but you will get 2 to 3 paragraph in a single question prompt. You have to read these 3 paragraph or 2 paragraph in a very short time, like we have already discussed about it. You have to take 3 to 4 minutes to read this paragraph. Okay, after that you have to respond it in this box, which is already given you a timing for writing your summary. You will get 5 to 6 minutes to write. After that you have to proofread. Thank you guys for watching this video. We will be coming with our best and easy simple tips and tricks for summarized written text. Thanks for watching.